it's going to be more seasonable than normal, but you might hear some booming in your neighborhood. Thank you so much for joining Weather Wanderings. I'm student meteorologist Megan Montgomery, and if this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. What we do is there's a weather and a wanderings portion. The weather is I am a meteorology student, so I do weather forecasts every morning on Mondays and Fridays to give you a little bit of your outlook, no matter if you live in Denver or you actually live somewhere else. I do stuff for them too. And then the wandering portion is I'm a bit outdoorsy and I blog about the outdoors. So every Wednesday we cover a little bit of wandering. And in fact, coming up on Wednesday, we're doing an outdoorsy product review, so you won't want to miss this. Well, let's get right to the forecast. And first, I want to show you the pick of the week. Yes, you can send me any pictures that are around your area. Just I would love to see them. This one was taken yesterday in Denver, Colorado, and what you're looking at is a cumulonimbus cloud, also known as a thunderstorm cloud. Now, here's why it's a thunderstorm cloud, and this is what makes it so unique from other clouds that you see, the little puffy ones that you think look like a dog. This right here is what we call an overshooting top. What you will see is it juts out up here at the top. That's because it actually reaches too cool of the part of the atmosphere that it can't sustain being built anymore. So what you'll see with a thunderstorm cloud, if you're out spotting or wherever you are, you want to see a cauliflower-like texture, a bit of a tower, and you want to see that anvil shape that shoots out. If you see that, you know that there's going to be thunderstorms in your area. If you see that cloud moving closer towards you, when thunder roars, please go indoors. We want you all to be very safe. So with that, if you see these around your area, it's a good thing to know. Let's get to your national forecast. So here's what we're looking at. We're looking at highs all over the country, but what I really want to focus at and what is kind of creating a lot of weather, especially for the western side of the nation, is this low pressure system. This low pressure system is kind of what we look for in meteorology. You might have heard it thrown around every once in a while but don't really know what it means. A low pressure system means that you're having a lot of molecules go up into the atmosphere, and that means a lot of storms. High pressure systems, you're looking at more molecules sinking down into the ground, and what that does is it actually brings warmer temperatures. So as you can see, up in the northwest, we're seeing another high pressure system right around Canada that's going to create a lot of sunny temperatures for the northwest, as well as if you want to look over here, actually, you know what, let me get off camera, you probably can't see right behind my back, up into New England, near Texas, in the middle of the country, you're also going to see very sunny temperatures. So it's going to look really nice, but you probably heard me from the beginning saying it's going to be more seasonable. Yes, things are actually going to cool down. Let's look at those national temperatures. We're looking at 80s and 90s mostly through the country. 90 in Spokane, no surprise, 108 and 110 in Phoenix, but we're still going to see a little bit of precipitation building up. Here's the shocker, 77 for Los Angeles. Yes, while we were building these graphics, while I was forecasting and checking these temperatures, we had to check that that was correct. It is. That's so weird. And of course, you know, Minnesota, it's also in the 70s this week. So how's that playing out if you live locally in Denver? I am not so much everywhere to be a little octopus and forecast 5 days for everywhere. I can do it for Monday. But if you live in Denver, as you can see, it's starting to cool down. 86 on Monday. And yep, we have 87 on Tuesday, 85, and oh look, it's a cool down. What you will notice though is there are thunderstorms all week. Yes, there are thunderstorms all week. And let me tell you, during this time of the year, it's actually pretty characteristic, and I will get to that in a later video. But until then, I hope you guys all have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for joining us. Give this video a like. Comment below if you have any ideas of what I should do this week. I actually have a few emails of videos that I'm going to be actually doing later on. If you have a weather question or actually want me to go out and look at a product that's outdoorsy and want me to try it out, I'm more than welcome to absolutely look into it. It has to be reasonable. We're not looking at $1,000 prices things. Until then, thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. The link is at the end of this video, and I will see you on Wednesday. Thanks. The storms are going to clear just in time for the weekend for the Denver metro area. Thank you so much for tuning into this weekend forecast. I'm student meteorologist Megan Montgomery. It's going to be a beautiful weekend.